Hey folks, today I'm diving into a crucial topic for small apartment investors: tenant screening. Trust me, getting this right can make or break your investment. First up, let's talk financial stability. You need a minimum credit score. Aim for something like 650 or above. This indicates responsible credit use. Next, verify their income. A good rule of thumb is the 3:1 ratio. Their monthly income should be at least 3 times the rent. Don't just take their word for it. Ask for pay stubs, bank statements, or employment letters to confirm. And don't forget employment history. Stable employment usually means stable rent payments. Now let's move on to rental history and references. Contact previous landlords. You want to know if your applicant was punctual with payments and respectful of the property. Watch out for red flags like past evictions or repeated lease violations. It's a quick way to weed out potential troublemakers. And don't underestimate personal references. A quick chat can give you a sense of the applicant's character and reliability. Safety is next on the list. Conduct criminal background screenings. This isn't just about protecting your property, it's about ensuring a safe environment for all residents. Be sure to follow fair housing laws here. Adjust your criteria based on the type of property. For instance, family-oriented properties might need stricter checks. So how do you keep all this straight? Create a detailed screening checklist. Include sections for credit score verification, income ratio confirmation, employment history, and rental history. Don't forget background checks and documentation processes. This helps you stay organized and efficient. A couple of final tips. Consider using screening software. It streamlines everything from applications to background checks. And be consistent. Apply the same criteria to every applicant to ensure fairness and comply with housing laws. Make your screening standards clear in rental ads and applications widgets. This way, potential tenants know what to expect up front. All right, that's it for today. Happy investing, and may your tenant screening be flawless.